Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys something super special. It's my brand new 2017 Suzuki Hayabusa. I'm super excited to drive it, so let's gear up and check it out. So this is a 2017 Suzuki Hayabusa GSX 1300R. The name Hayabusa means peregrine falcon in Japanese, which is the fastest bird in the world. Likewise the name, the Hayabusa is famed for cutting through the air with incredible agility and performance. This beast has amazing looks and has a wind cheating design. Just look at the way it goes. It combines massive thrust with unmatched maneuverability to give a silky smooth ride on the open roads or even in the city streets. The body and the fairing is designed to tame the wind and maximize the engine's power. The aerodynamic styling and the smooth bodywork not only tames the wind but also gives it a unique look and improves the fuel economy. It feels so good riding this bike. I'm enjoying every second of it. The Suzuki Hayabusa is definitely a hit turner. Every single person on the road will grab your attention while riding it. The GSX 1300R has a 4-stroke 4-cylinder liquid-cooled muscular engine which delivers superb torque of 155 Nm at 7200 rpm for effortless acceleration. It has a DOHC engine with a displacement of 1340cc which gives a max power of 197 bhp at 9500 rpm. You know what that means? You can touch 0 to 60 speed in just 2.7 seconds and 0 to 100 in 3 seconds, making it one of the world's fastest bikes. This is not something to be said in words, you just have to ride it to know how amazing it feels. It looks deadly from the front. It's got a single 55-watt split headlamp with high and low beam and 2 pilot lamps at the corners. Below the headlamp, you can see the left and right indicators just beside the air ducts. The front mudguard comes with a factory-fitted number plate holder, and you've got 2 stylish-looking rear-view mirrors which are placed at a perfect position above the headlamp. The massive twin exhausts look fantastic from the back. It comes with a nice matte black and chrome finish and have a unique triangular design. The 2017 Hayabusa comes in 3 color variants: Glacier White, Pearl Blue and Sparkle Black. As I personally love white, I bought this one. It was a very pleasant day. There was no sun and was cloudy without any rain, so I got great shots of the bike. I really enjoyed the ride in this awesome weather. Now let's check out some of the highlights of this bike. This is the Hayabusa's logo on the fairing. It's there on both sides. It looks amazing and I love it. These are the 2 inverted gold forks which have a DLC coating on it, that is diamond-like carbon coating to reduce the friction and improve the performance. These forks provide fully adjustable compression and rebound damping. The Hayabusa comes with Brembo monoblock front brake calipers equipped with ABS to deliver the best possible feedback to the rider. This is the rear brake pedal and the footrest. They are placed in a comfortable and sporty looking position. You can see the pillion rider footrest here, just above the silencer. I really like this triangular shape. This is the tail lamp section with 2 indicators on both the sides with Suzuki logo at the center. You have the GSX 1300R logo on both the sides of the body, just above the indicators. Actually, this bike comes with a single seat, but there's an option to include a pillion rider seat if you want, just like I did. And this is a massive fuel tank of the Hayabusa, having a small chrome Suzuki logo on both the sides and a black stripe design at the center. You have the instrument cluster over here. I'll just show you that in a moment. This is how gigantic the Hayabusa looks from the front. Once again, you have a Suzuki logo at the center over here. You have the 6-speed constant mesh gear shift lever, and below that there's a slim and elegant looking side stand. The Hayabusa comes with a chain drive. You can see that here. This bike comes with a factory fitted cute looking guard just above the left exhaust. I guess it's a sari guard and comes only for the Indian models. Hayabusa comes with Bridgestone tires and a single piston Tokiko rear brake caliper, which does a great job. The design and the placement of the seats is super comfortable. I have no complaints against it. This is the fuel cap and the capacity of the fuel tank is 21 liters. The mileage of this bike is around 15 km per liter. Here's the ignition switch. And these are the 4 analog meters, which include a tachometer, speedometer, fuel gauge and a heat indicator. At the center, you have a LCD display which shows the clock, gear position, drive mode, odometer and dual trip meters. This is the left handlebar with all the switches on it. Just have a look. And on the right handlebar, you have the electric start button along with the Suzuki drive mode selector. There are 3 drive modes available, A, B and C. You can use these mode buttons to switch between different modes. The LCD display will show the current mode you are using. So guys, this is the sound of the Hayabusa. This is the idling sound of the 4-cylinder engine. As the turn radius of the Hayabusa is large, it can be sometimes difficult in tight spots. So be careful about that. I took this shot for comparison purpose. You can clearly see how huge is the Hayabusa when compared to my Harley Street Bob. The curb weight of the Hayabusa is 266 kgs, but still it weighs 38 kgs less than my Harley. The ground clearance of the bike is 120 mm and I had no issues riding it in my city. The actual top speed of the bike is 312 kmph, but the Indian model comes with a speed lock of 280 kmph. So that was a walk around and quick review of my 2017 Suzuki Hayabusa. It's an awesome looking bike and I had an amazing time riding it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.